Ever notice that one person? They are not the richest, the most handsome, or the funniest person in the room. Yet, people naturally gravitate toward them. They make friends easily. They are comfortable to be around. Meanwhile, you might be working hard. You are kind, you are polite, and you are trying to be considerate. But you still feel ignored, or you struggle to build meaningful social connections. You end up feeling like an outsider, wondering why your efforts aren't paying off. Here is the hard truth: being nice is not enough. In fact, trying too hard to please people often pushes them away. People do not decide who they like based on logic, they decide based on psychological triggers. We are going to dissect the 5 psychological principles that actually govern how people perceive you in the first few minutes of contact. This is not surface level advice. This is about how the human brain processes social interactions. The biggest mistake you are making is focusing on what to say. You are worried about appearing boring, making a mistake, or running out of topics. Here is the reality: people will forget your words, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Psychologist Daniel Kahneman proposed the peak and rule. Humans judge experience and people based on the emotional peak and the final impression, not the total sum of the interaction. You have likely forgotten specific conversations from months ago, but you remember exactly who made you feel comfortable and who made you feel drained. Stop trying to be smart. Stop trying to be cool. Focus entirely on making the other person feel heard and valued. Listen without distraction. Respond naturally with the same energy they are projecting. Have you ever met someone who, within 5 minutes, changed the entire vibe of the room? Or conversely, someone who kills the mood just by walking in, despite saying nothing? This is called emotional contagion. Humans are wired to subconsciously mimic the facial expressions, body language, and tone of the people around them. If you are enthusiastic, they become more energized. If you are calm, they become relaxed. If you bring negative energy, their mood inevitably dips. You are a walking emotional transmitter. If you constantly complain or critic, that is the label people will attach to you. Ask yourself, what energy are you actually bringing into your interactions? This is the most common mistake made by people desperate to be liked. The more you chase validation, the more you repel people. Humans possess a radar for desperation. When you brag about your achievement or fish for compliments, you are broadcasting a signal that screams, "Please validate me." This lowers your perceived value. People are drawn to those who are secure with themselves. According to self-determination theory, we are attracted to people whose confidence and value come from within, not from external approval. When you stop caring if everyone likes you, you become more comfortable. Paradoxically, this is when people actually start to pay attention to you. If you want to be charismatic, stop trying to be the most interesting person in the room. Instead, make the other person feel like they are the most interesting person in the room. This utilizes the principle of reciprocity. If you make someone feel truly heard, they naturally want to reciprocate that feeling towards you. Most people wait for their turn to speak, thinking about how they can top your story with one of their own. Don't do this. Ask questions, listen, show genuine interest. People love talking about their favorite topic themselves. If you step in their world first, they will naturally become curious about yours. This is how a connection is formed. If you are competent but cold, people may respect you but will avoid you. And if you are warm but lack boundaries or confidence, people may like you but they won't respect you. The most likable people are both. They are approachable and kind, but they also possess internal strength and standards. Here is the final warning. Do not try to make everyone like you. It is mathematically impossible. There will always be people who do not resonate with you, and that is normal. Your goal is not universal approval. Your goal is to be a person who is comfortable, confident, and leaves a positive, lasting impression on the right people. Stop focusing on looks maxing or superficial trends. Focus on how you make people feel, your own emotional regulation, and your genuine ability to value others. Be aware that your mental habit affects your outward confidence. For instance, habits like PMO can significantly degrade your social perception and mental clarity, which ultimately affects how you interact with others. Address your internal foundation before you try to build external connection.